Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And there was a long line to the food pantry today because it's the holiday food pantry giveaway. So with that in mind, I want to show you what kind of goodies I got to feed a family for the holidays. Come on, let's go. I'm going to start from the left to the right, and it's a sunny day today, and excuse the hum from my refrigerator, but guess what? It's going out. Yes, it's on its last legs. Oh, hippie hooray. Anyway, I've got 2 cans of mixed green beans. That'll be great for a nice green bean casserole. We've got some spaghetti sauce and diced no salt tomatoes. Yes, yes. Jellied cranberry sauce, my favorite. And some mixed fruit in light syrup. 2 cans of mixed vegetables. I love those. The cream style corn. 2 cans of those. You know, my sister makes a wonderful cream corn pudding. And it's really great for the holidays. I love it. And I got some whole kernel corn. Some black-eyed peas. And check this out. Heart-healthy cream of chicken soup. Oh, and the pumpkin. I'm definitely making my pumpkin soup for the holidays. I might show this person how to make their pumpkin soup too. We got some peanut butter and jelly. Yes, yes. Then I do have some chicken noodle soup, which you can use this as your chicken broth, add some water to it, and put it in your dressing. You can put the noodles in there too to thicken it up. Then I've got this wonderful cat food, tuna. Actually, nobody really wants this, so I'm going to feed this to Mama Cat. Hey, y'all, she let me pet her the other day, and the kittens are growing. They're so cute. They almost got their eyes open. I tell you. Now, I've got, I got to adjust because it's so bright. Got some oatmeal. Come over here because the sun's coming through. Got some rice. Now, I got a lot of rice in my pantry, so I'm going to show you. I got something special for Christmas. I might do some rice dressing or some dirty rice. Then I got some macaroni and cheese, 2 boxes. A huge bag of pasta. What's this? What do they call this? Oh, penne. I love this. I love this because the sauce gets all in it. Oh, yeah. Let's jump over here and out of the light. Ooh, that's better. I got some corn flakes. Dinner rolls. You know what's really cool about these things, and these are nice and fresh. You can freeze them, but before you do, cut them in half. Mix your butter with your garlic, and you can paint them with that, you know, on the inside. Slap them back together, freeze them, and you've got garlic bread for the holidays. Just put it in the oven, warm it up, and then serve. Yes. Each one of these makes 2 pieces of garlic bread. Unless we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 in here. So that's 24. Yep. Then we got, this is cute Cheez-Its. You can use these to make some hors d'oeuvres for your party. Yeah, put a little spray cheese on top. Or get your own cheese and put it on top of there. A nice square piece of cheese with maybe a black olive on top. That would be great. That would be great. I've got some unsweetened applesauce. Jay loves this. And you know what? So do I. I prefer this over the regular. I really like it. It's really good. Then we've got some, tantalizing chocolate chip muffins here. Oh, yeah. And these are big, too. Wow. I'm going to try to not let Jay eat them all at one time. We've got some raisins. We've got some dried dates. Oh, that's right on time for the holidays. I've got a bag of white potatoes. Then I've got a bag of sweet potatoes. Candied yams are going to be on this person's menu. I got some turkey gravy mix. Some beef stew for when they're tired of eating a turkey. Gold. We got eggs. We got eggs, y'all. Yeah. Make your dressings, make your quiche, make your breakfast. Then we've got some fish fillets, pollock. Is that how you say that, pollock? Alaskan pollock fish portions. Fillets, these are nice. Soak these in buttermilk to get rid of that fishy taste, and you got some good eating. You can fry them. You can bake them. A little garlic and butter. Oh, yeah. Look, I've got some taco pork filling. Yep, I finally know what it is. This is nice. Yeah, this will be nice. Yeah. Then we got some frozen turkey. 85% lean. 15% fat. You gotta have some fat in your stuff to make it taste good. Then guess what, you all? I got them a turkey. Look at this. Jenny O Premium Frozen Turkey. This is a nice thing. Let's give a little bit of a pan to everything we've got. Now, nieces and nephews, I'm going to tell you, what I received today from the food pantry is enough to make an entire Thanksgiving dinner. Stuffing and all. Because that bread right there, you don't have to make it garlic bread. You could chop it up, toast it till it's nice and kind of crispy. Make that as your stuffing. You can use it for your stuffing. Yeah. So, sky's the limit. So when everybody asks you, when anyone asks you, can you make a complete dinner for the holidays from the food pantry? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I can even show you to do shortcuts and other alternative things to traditional stuff that will taste just as good. All right? So I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to write to me at UncleChris, at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I am today, I swear, I guess I'm so excited about, I'm excited about giving this family their dinner that they thought they weren't going to have, and I'm going to surprise them today, and I can't film that. I wish I could. But it's going to be a cool thing. Let me know if I can bring you some food, okay? All right. I love you guys. Thank you, Joe. Samantha, thank you so much. Victoria, you're always there for me. Thank you so much. Now, June, come on. I know you're watching. And all my new nieces and nephews, thank you so much. Let me know if you want me to shout you out on the show. I would be very happy. Oh, by the way, take pictures of your dinner. I want to put them on the show. All right. Bye-bye.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Every